morning, guys. How are you keeping? It's another beautiful day here in Albufeira, and we're on the way to the old town to look for a nice cup of coffee. Let's go. God, I love holidays. If I could, I would spend all my money just for holidays. So we're here in the beach right beside the old town. I think it's probably 20 degrees at the moment. Nice and warm. And it's early morning. Look at the views. Have a look at the views. This looks like a nice spot, not an old town, but right on the beach. I'd say we're gonna stay here. Not sure if we're gonna go for a coffee. Let's see. I always said we went looking for a nice cup of coffee in the old town. We end up here on the beach, so on the beach it has to be a mojito. However, the best mojito I've ever had was in Thailand. Nothing can beat that. So here in Albufeira, in the old town, there's a lot of like nightclubs, bars, cafes. But the best time to come here, it's evening time. So there's so many places. Oh my god, like there's a bank club, there is Domino's, there is Twist Bar, JC, you name it, so many, and the classic bar is cool as well, so yeah. So there are two places I recommend for food here in Old Town. So it's the rooftop, the Bank Steakhouse. Yeah. Okay, so it is quite expensive, but it's worth it. And then the other place that is really good is the Bravo. Okay, so definitely recommend. We will be going though for the steaks on the stone, but that's probably in the next vlog. They're delicious, and I'll show you where it is next time. Sometimes we don't even realize how fast time goes. So today Thomas is 20. I can't believe I have a 20-year-old.
Warehouse, small house.
Warehouse?
Yes, small house.
So delicious. And thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.